Hello friends, welcome. Today I am drawing Bluey dancing with Dad. Do you know what happens when Bluey and Dad start to dance together? Do you think they whirl like a spinning top, jump like kangaroos, or maybe march like a parade? What do you imagine, friends? One bright morning, Bluey ran into the living room. Dad, or Bandit as we know him, was humming a cheerful tune while tidying up the cushions. Bluey's eyes sparkled. Dad, let's dance today. Dad raised his eyebrows playfully. Dance? Should I wiggle like jelly or stomp like an elephant? Bluey giggled. No, let's twirl and spin like stars. Children, stand up and give a little twirl. Gently spin around once, just like Bluey. Dad took Bluey's paws and they began to move. Step, step, spin. Bluey laughed as her feet tapped softly on the floor. You're good, Dad. Dad chuckled. And you're even better. Kids, march your feet slowly like you're dancing along with them. Bingo walked in, clapping her paws. I want to join too. Mom appeared with a smile, carrying a cup of tea. Oh, what a show. My little dancers are starting a party. Children, clap your hands softly 3 times, just like Bingo. The music in Dad's head grew louder in his imagination. He lifted Bluey up, and she stretched her arms wide like a bird. Bluey cheered. Dad swayed her side to side. Bingo tiptoed around them, pretending to sprinkle fairy dust. Kids, tiptoe around in a circle, nice and light. Suddenly, Dad struck a silly pose. He bent his knees and stuck out his tongue. Bluey burst into giggles. That's not dancing, she cried. Oh, it is, Dad teased. It's called the Dad Dance. Bingo clapped, do more, Dad. Like this video and subscribe my channel. The living room filled with joy. Mom set down her tea and joined in, twirling with Bingo. For dancers now, Mom laughed. The family moved together, each with their own style. Children, stretch your arms up high and sway side to side, like trees dancing in the wind. Dad then whispered to Bluey, should we try a tricky move? Bluey nodded eagerly. He lifted her paws, spun her gently, and then bowed. Bluey bowed back. We're like royal dancers, she said. Bingo curtsied too, and Mum blew them a kiss. Kids, bow or curtsy gently, like royalty. The family pretended the carpet was a grand stage. Dad said in a deep voice, welcome, everyone, to the most fabulous family dance show. Bluey shouted, and the crowd goes wild. Bingo jumped and cheered, waving her paws in the air. Children, wave your hands up high and cheer softly, yay. As the dance went on, the moves grew sillier. Dad crawled like a crab, Bluey hopped like a bunny, Bingo flapped like a butterfly, and Mum twirled like a ballerina. Laughter filled the room, warm and cozy. Kids, pick your favorite move, crab, bunny, butterfly, or ballerina, and try it now. Which one did you choose? After all the fun, the family slowed down. Dad took a deep breath. Phew, that was a workout. Bluey leaned against him, still smiling. It was the best dance ever, Dad. Bingo curled up beside Mum. Can we do it again tomorrow? Mum kissed her forehead. Of course, sweetheart. The sun peeked through the window, painting soft golden light on the family. Bluey whispered, dancing with you feels like flying. Dad hugged her gently. And dancing with you feels like love. Children, place your hands on your heart and feel it beat, steady and calm, just like Bluey's love for her family. The dance ended not with a jump, but with a cuddle. They sat together on the couch, tired but happy, as if the music was still playing softly in their hearts. Bluey waved with a smile. Dad waved too. Bingo and Mum joined in. The family whispered, goodbye, friends. See you for the next dance. Now close your eyes. Imagine twirling gently with Bluey and Dad, safe in the living room glow, feeling warm, calm, and loved.